Evaluate square root of 39 plus square root of 3 over square root of 12 whole this power 7. We'll be doing late x is equal to, we are taking, is equal to square root of 39 plus square root of 3 over square root of 12. We suppose this equal to x. And we have to calculate x power, means x raised to the power 7. Further simplification, we have x is equal to square root of 39 can be written as square root of 3. We can take common. In numerator, square root of 3 here, and here we can take common. So it is what is left inside is square root of 13 plus square, that is 1, over square root of 12 can be written as 2 into square root of 3 into 2. This is square root of 3 and this cancel out. So what is left? So further we can write x is equal to square root of 13 plus 1 upon over 2. Now cross multiplication x into 2, it becomes twice of x is equal to square root of 13 plus 1. We transpose this one left side, it becomes twice of x minus 1 is equal to square root of 13. Now here what we do, we square both the side, means left hand side taking square as well as right hand side taking square. We have 4x square minus 4x plus 1, and square root of square of its square root of 13, that is 13. Transposing 13 left side, it becomes 4x square minus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. Taking 4 common, it becomes x square minus x minus 3, that is equal to 0. But now what we have to do, we have to transpose these two terms, means right hand side, or we can write x square is equal to x plus 3. We write x square is equal to x plus 3, and this is a very, very important expression here. So we can write x square is equal to x plus 3. Now, further squaring, left hand side as well as right hand side, we have x for left hand side, x power 4, and square of x plus 3 is x square plus 6x plus 9. But you will see in place of this x square, we can write x plus 3, because the value of x square is x plus 3. So we can replace x square by x plus 3. So x raised to the power 4 is equal to x plus 3 in place of x square plus 6x plus 9 as it is. Now 6x plus x 7x and 9 plus 3 12. So x power 4 is equal to 7x plus 9, sorry, 12. 9 plus 3, 12. Further squaring left hand side as well as right hand side, we have, this is equation number 2. The x power 8 and now square of 7x plus 12 using the identity a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. We have 49x square plus 168x plus 12 square is 144. But again, see, in place of this x square, we can write x plus 3. So in place of this x square, write x plus 3. So x raised to the power 8 is equal to 49 multiplied by x plus 3. And 168 plus 144, 168x plus 144 as it is. (49x plus 168x) on addition, left hand side is x power 8, and that is 217x, and 49 3 plus 144, that is 291. So this is the value of x raised to the power 8, but we need the value of x raised to the power 7. Because this value we have considered, we have supposed that this value, that is x. And here the value of x is this, is square root of 13 plus 1 by 2. So for x power 8, we have to divide left hand side and right hand side by x. So to get the value of x power 7, we have x power 8 upon x. In place of x power 8, we can write 217x plus 291. So that is 217x upon x plus 291 upon x. This x and this x cancel out. So further we can write 217 plus 291 upon x. Here is the problem. We need the value of 1 upon x. And x is this. So taking reciprocal both sides, we have 1 upon x is equal to 2 upon square root of 13 plus 1. Now rationalizing the denominator means multiply numerator and denominator by square root of 13 plus minus 1. So we have square root of 13 minus 1 multiplied by denominator as well as by numerator. On further simplification, we have, that is square root of 13 minus 1 upon 6. Square root of 13 using the identity a plus b, a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So 13 minus 1, that is 12. But you cancel 12 by 2, so it becomes 6. This is the value of 1 by x, that is equal to square root of 13 minus 1 upon 6. Replace here by 1 by x. Replace here. So write 217 plus 291 as it is. And in place of 1 by x, you write square root of 13 minus 1 upon 6. Now this and this cancel out by 3. So on further simplification, we have to go this side because here is the problem of space. So I'm taking 217 here as it is, plus you cancel out this one. That is 97 upon 2 square root of 13 minus 1. Now taking the rational part one side and irrational part other side. So on further simplification, it is 217 plus minus 97 by, sorry, minus 97 by 2 here. I'll make it correct. It is 97 here. $97. On further simplification, it gives us further on simplification, we have on simplification this, we have 337 by 2 plus 97 multiplied by square root of 13 by 2. And now taking to LCM or on further simplification, we have that is 337 1 by 2 common, and that is 97 root 13. And this is answer of this question. This is solution of this question. Thanks.